Well, it is now day 4 and we are stopped in Mare, I think is how you say it. So we're ready, we've got our snorkel gear and we're going to go snorkeling, but first we're going to go have some breakfast and then, yeah, we're going to get a bus transfer over to the best beach and then go snorkeling. We're still waiting to go over to the island. Taking forever.
Just strangling myself at the moment.
We should have gotten up earlier. To the beach. Georgia just laying on the beach in Mare and it's pretty nice. I just got photobombed by Caitlin Stavik. Me and Georgia are back from the island now and we're just having some lunch and I'm having some chicken and pumpkin and veggies, possibly some extra salad because I'm a pig. So me and Georgia are going to go to dinner now. We didn't really do much this afternoon when we got back from Mare, besides just chill out and take a nap so that we can get ready and go to the white party tonight. Yay! So we're all ready for our all white party. I'm wearing a skirt and a top. Georgia's wearing a skirt and top because we're matching and we're cute. So we're going to go dance now. And I'm going to take my phone so you get to see us dancing, which is horrifying.
Oh god.
It's the 5th day and today we arrive in Port Villa, which is Vanuatu, and me and Georgia have a super exciting shore excursion, so we get to go ride quad bikes and quad skis, I think, on the water. Yeah. So we're super excited and we're going to go have some breakfast and then organise getting off the boat and going on our quad bikes. So me and Georgia have been riding quad bikes, which is why I'm so dirty. Got a nice little moustache going on. So yeah, we've been riding these quad bikes and now we've stopped at this beach in Vanuatu.
You say Georgia, have you got a friend named
So me and Georgia are back from our shore tour, which was really fun. I obviously just got out of the shower and put my makeup on because we were so dirty. Like, we went on the quad bikes and then in the water and basically all the dirt just turned to mud. So we came in and got some food and then we were like, gotta get in the shower, and now we're gonna go and find the laundry, I think, and wash the clothes because they're so dirty. And I brought like one pair of white shoes and they're not very white anymore. So we're going to go find the laundry and try and wash our clothes. Oh, me and Georgia are going to the comedy show, which I have stayed awake for, so it better be good. So that's it. We're just going now. I'm so tired. Getting a man. Are you videoing this? Yes. So I'm just having breakfast by myself because Georgia didn't want to wake up. So I'm going to show you what I'm having for breakfast. So just some fruit, 2 eggs and 2 boiled eggs. So now I'm going to the gym and then I'm probably going to go lay out by the pool. Shock. Since it's the last day, there's not really anything else to do, so bingo it is. One of us has to win.
It'll be me.
No, it's gonna be me.
It'll be me.
So me and Georgia are at bingo. Gonna win all the money. Me. With this ticket. $4,500 tonight. It's gonna be mine.